guys, long time no see. It's Lonni, and today I want to do a glowy makeup tutorial. It is fall time now, and today I just want to do one that was glowy that I pretty much would wear all the time. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but I will explain it throughout this video. So this is going to be a chit chat. Get ready with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications when you're done, and let's get started. First, I'm just going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and put that like on my T-zone and stuff like that. So first off, where have I been? I've been on YouTube for about like 2 to 3 months. Number one, the last video I posted was my travel diary. That was very fun, and then after that I was in summer school. So I've been in summer school for the whole summer, and I was taking Anatomy 2 lab, microbiology, and microbiology lab. So stressful. Would I do it again? Absolutely not. If I look this way, I'm looking at my mirror. I would not do that again. That was probably the most stressful summer I've ever had in my life. Like, I literally hated my summer. So October 12th, which was Princess Eugene's and Jack's wedding, which I want to do a video on that too, but I found that out. I'm just gonna go in with some Vaseline, and I was devastated Friday and Saturday. I talked to, of course my mom talked to me, but that wasn't helping. My grandma talked to me, my godmother talked to me, and nothing was really helping. And my cousin eventually talked to me, and I kind of felt better after she talked to me, because she is actually she's actually a nurse, and she's a pediatric nurse, and I want to deal with neonates. So I kind of felt like she would relate to me more since she's already in that field. So she talked to me. I felt better after that, and that was on Saturday, and my face was so puffy from crying. It was just so bad, like worst. That was probably like the worst day of my life. And then I went to church Sunday, and I keep on talking, but I'm not doing my makeup. I'm going to take the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. So I went to church on that Sunday, and we had a guest speaker. Her sermon just really touched me. Like, I felt like she was actually like directing her sermon towards me, but of course she didn't know what was going on with me because she's a guest speaker. But I felt like she was talking to me. This looks pretty light, but trust me, when it blends in, it looks so much better. She did her sermon, and then at the end, well, through her sermon she said, in order to, it was talking about issues. In order to get over your issue, you first have to you know, admit your issue, so let it be known. And at the end of the sermon, we did a second altar call, because I'm Christian, I'm Baptist. We did a second altar call, and I'm really close to the people in my church. I've pretty much grown up there since I was a baby. I did that, and I went down, and the assistant pastor, I've known her since forever, like since I was pretty young, and she said, I know what's wrong with my baby right here. It's gonna be okay, she said, but I just want you to speak out your issue. And I told everyone in that church that I did not get into nursing school. Started crying again, because, you know, that's devastating. You work really hard, and to be what you want in life, you put in so much work, and you don't actually succeed in it, so that really disappointed me. And then in college, I literally have not made any new friends. Like, I've probably made like a couple, but like not like a lot, you know, like college is supposed to be experience for like stuff like that, but I am literally friends with like the same people that I went to high school with. So yeah, and I was really disappointed about that. Like, wow, I went through the whole summer stressing, and my whole college year and freshman year not really making any friends, and it came out to no reason, and I didn't even get the dream major that I wanted. And originally this was not the first school I wanted to go to. I actually wanted to go to Georgia State, and I got accepted into their nursing program. So I was like, wow, my dream school wanted me as a nurse, and I couldn't even get into the nursing program here, and this isn't even my first option. So I was really disappointed about that. But after I like spoke that I didn't get into nursing school, there were so many people that came up to me, and they were telling me like how they know people that's going through what I'm going through. And you know, my cousin as well, she took like me, I wanted to graduate in 4 years, and she was like, there's no way that we probably will graduate in 4 years. I know a lot of people who are graduating in 4 years. But yeah, she was telling me that. But a lot of people came up to me at church and was like, I understand what you're going through. Like, they have children and nieces and nephews that's like trying to get into the nursing program, and it's really hard. But I felt better after that, but I wanted to do a video on like rejection. So now I am applying to other nursing schools like close to me, but I'm also going to apply to Georgia State again, since that was my dream school and they accepted me for the nursing program. But that's really what's been going on. Next, I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this, but I do want to try out new concealers, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on, not too much. But within these past times, I've been watching like YouTubers. Some of my favorites are Patricia Bright, love her. Kelsey Simone, I literally adore her. I love Paige Zukoski, one of my favorites. Who else? I've been watching this, well, they're new to me, they're not new on YouTube, but it's TFIL, The Fun in Life, with Sam, Elton, Kobe, Corey, Aaron, yeah, all those people. Been watching them and they are funny. I love them. I've also been watching the Shane Dawson series, but that's what I've been doing to keep my time, you know, and I've been liking it so far. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Mercier translucent setting powder. But yeah, within these past couple of months, I've been thinking about videos that I want to film. There's like so many that I want to film. I've made a list, so I want to try and get some out for you guys. And plus I miss filming, like, to keep my attention away from like the things that's been happening to me right now. I've like thought about like, you know, just filming, maybe that would help me with that, and hopefully it will. So today I am trying to film 2 videos, so of course this one, and then I want to do one on like decluttering my college closet, which is over here because it's fall time now and it's cold, like cold. So I want to declutter that and film a video on that. And plus I want to buy some more clothes for the fall. I've really gotten into fashion lately, and I feel like the only way I feel like I can like express my style is just to buy more clothing, because a lot of the stuff I have from last year, because last year I used to wear, if you watch my, I'm sorry I keep touching my hair, it just keeps getting in the way. If you watch my vlogs that I have posted, really all I wear is like sweatshirts and leggings and sneakers, but now I want to wear like clothing, actual clothing. So we're gonna see what we do about that, but that is the goal. Next, I'm just going to take my MAC Fix Plus spray. This is just the rose one. I'm just gonna spray my face with it. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna go back in with the beauty blender to, you know, blend all of that out. And then I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just spread it on my face as well, because I love this stuff so much. But I'm not done when I spray it on me. So yeah. Okay. There we go. Oh, I forgot. I've been watching Sean Lily as well. I love her. Ugh. The highlighter I'm going to use is just the Gellar highlighter in Gilded Honey. I mean, everyone and their mother knows what this highlight is. It's so pretty. Mascara. This is just the one I use all the time, the Loreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I love this stuff so much. Drugstore, amazing. Go get it. Since I really don't have anything of this left, I'm just going to take the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Teddy and apply this all over my lips, and probably with whatever I have left in here, I would put that on top. But you know, whatever. This is it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's just really like a glowy kind of no makeup look, because it still looks like my skin, which is amazing because I'm not a heavy makeup guru type of girl. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those bell notifications when you're done. I will have my social medias linked down below, and I will also have the products that I use down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. Like I said, I am going to try filming again. This is actually probably going to be my comeback video, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.